Here I have HUAWEI Mate 10 Pro, and let me show you how to accomplish the factory reset operation on this device by using the HUAWEI settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using a power key. Let's unlock the screen, find and select the settings, scroll down, and here you should find and select the system. It's the last option from the following list. Then you have to choose reset. So here you've got three options. Let's choose factory data reset. Read the instructions and read the information about the restoring operation and choose reset phone. If you are sure that you want to erase all system data and install apps, let's simply choose reset phone one more time. And right now the device is performing the hard reset operation, so the HUAWEI Mate 10 is erasing all personal stuff, customized settings and installed apps. Let's be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Do not interrupt while the process is running. As you can see, reset is successful. Now the device is rebooting, so let's just be patient. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you can start activating your device. So you can watch how to activate your device in our other videos. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.